Want to open the camera directly when you launch the CamScanner app on your iPhone? Here's how to enable the Start with Camera feature. First, open the CamScanner app on your iPhone. Once the app opens, you'll land on the home screen. Now, tap on the Me option at the bottom of the screen. After that, go to the Scan Settings section. Here, you'll see an option called Start with Camera. Simply turn on the toggle next to it until it turns green. Once enabled, the next time you open the app, it will automatically open the camera instead of the home page. This is really useful if you scan documents frequently and want faster access. If you don't see this option, it may depend on your app version or settings layout, but most updated versions include it. And that's it. That's how you can enable Start with Camera in CamScanner on iPhone. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick iPhone and app tutorials.